The work that's being done with RACQ Foundation, the Resilience Corps and Land Care here in Gympie will help bring this area back to what it was.
This was really ground zero. Where I'm standing, I would be about 20 metres underwater.
Planting these 3,000 plants enables this land to be protected and avoid further erosion that was completely destroyed in those floods.
People come down here and walk their dogs, go for swims in the river, so it's a great spot to get some native plants in and just try to give a bit back to the environment.
I'm so grateful to be part of this great team. It's such an amazing experience. I think it changes your life for sure.
To have the volunteers come up with the help of the RACQ Foundation, it's greatly appreciated. We will hope you come back to watch the trees and the plants grow over the future years and enjoy what is a beautiful spot along the Mary River.